Protech Automotive Solutions, Caliber Auto Glass, I view as an ultimate dream team. Protech Automotive Solutions is one of the most advanced calibration companies out there, keeping up all the technology. You have Caliber Auto Glass, one of the premier glass companies in the United States. No matter which way you look at it, you get the best of both worlds. When you get into a car that's been in a crash, you've got crushed metal, you got crushed wires, you got split wires, you got disassembly of the vehicle, you've got welding that can happen.
If you have a crack in a windshield and you have a windshield camera, if that crack goes through that windshield camera, you don't have accurate readings coming out of your lane keep assist system. What if your kid's driving that car and they only know how to drive that car with an active lane keep?
The most common calibration has to be done on the forward cameras, and these are the cameras that are based right behind the rearview mirror on the windshield. This is a very common issue for the glass industry.
A Nissan calibration for a windshield is completely different than a Toyota calibration, is completely different than a Ford calibration, is completely different than a Maserati calibration. We can do them all, but the technology behind them is completely different.
So it's not just the auto repair industry that's struggling with this. It's not just the auto glass industry. It's not just the mechanical industry. It's not the transportation, our buses, our trucking industry, everything else. We're all at the same pinnacle of needing information and needing repairs that are so unfamiliar to people that have been in the field for so long, and needing qualified people to guide them through those repairs.